I'm here today in beautiful historic Williamsburg, and I'm about to take a tour of the Christmas wreaths. The wreaths are totally natural, made by hand, and they're hung by professional carpenters so they don't damage the building. The wreaths are also made out of materials that would have been known to the Williamsburg residents in the 18th century. And over here in the corner is the Getty building where the tour will start. So let's go. The King's Arm Tavern. This is my favorite tavern in Williamsburg. This is first prize for amateurs. Pretty good. There's a skating rink here.